How to use two emo account in one phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio. So if you want to use two different emo account in the same phone, then here's the step-by-step guide of how you can do this. Super easy, but before start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to use a second emo account, I'm going to open up the emo application from my device and he'll get to see I already have an account. And let's say I just want to make a new account. Now to do that, all you have to do is just need to go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the top left. And from the profile, you'll get to see the switch account option. You just need to tap on switch account. And inside this one, you'll get to see my current account. So if you want to add or create a new account, you just need to tap on add account. And once you tap on that, you just need to enter a new phone number, and once you do that, go and tap on this tick mark right over here and then tap on OK, and this will send a verification code through your phone number. You just need to verify the number, and once you do that, you just need to give it a name. For example, let's say I'm gonna type in Sky, and I'm gonna go ahead and tap on the tick mark over here, and also you can set a profile picture if you want to. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna skip this process, and you can add an email address. I'm gonna skip these, and you'll get to see I have immediately created a new emo account on the same phone. Now if I go to the profile at the top left, and if I go to the switch account, he'll get to see I have two different accounts. Now we can easily switch between these accounts as well, and this is how you actually can use a second emo account on the same phone. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.